In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a category in Prestashop and assign it to the top menu. The entire process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Prestashop back office. To do that, go to your shop's admin login page by using your shop domain, followed by the admin URL. Once you are on the login page, enter your email and your password in the respective fields. After you input your credentials, go ahead and click the login button. Now you'll be redirected to your Prestashop dashboard. From here you can manage various aspects of your online store. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the catalog option in the side menu and give it a click. This is where all your product related management happens. Under the catalog section, you will see the categories option. Click on categories to manage and create new categories for your store. In the categories section, you'll see an option to add a new category. Click on add new category. This will take you to a page where you can input the details of the category you wish to create. Fill out all the required fields such as the category name, description, and other relevant details. Be sure to double check your input to ensure accuracy. Once you've satisfied the required fields with your category details, go ahead and click the Save button. This will store your new category in the system. However, creating the category is just the first part. Now we need to add it to the top menu. To do that, navigate to Modules in your dashboard. Once there, click on Module Manager. In the search bar provided, type in Main Menu. You will see the Main Menu module listed in the results. Click on the Configure button next to it. On the configuration page, observe the two panels. The left side of the screen displays available items, which includes categories, CMS pages, and more. The right side shows menu structure, which includes items currently in your menu. Find the category you just created under the available items list on the left. Select it and then click the Add button, represented by a right arrow icon, to move it to the menu structure on the right. Once you've done that, ensure all changes are saved by clicking on the Save button. Finally, visit your website's homepage and check the top menu. Your new category should now be visible. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a category and add it to your Prestashop top menu. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.